Is your Wix website looking a little well, blah? Don't worry, we're about to inject some serious life back into it. First, log into your Wix account and access the website you want to revamp. Think of this as your website's operating room. We're about to perform a makeover. Consider updating your website theme for a fresh look. Wix has a variety of modern themes to choose from. A new theme can instantly revitalize your site's aesthetics. Experiment with different fonts and color palettes. A harmonious color scheme and readable typography greatly impact user experience. Ensure your choices align with your brand. Rearrange the layout of your pages for better navigation. Use Wix's drag-and-drop interface to prioritize key information and improve the flow of content. Think about the journey your visitors take. Optimize your images to improve website loading speed. Large image files can slow down your site, so compress them without sacrificing quality. Using Wix's built-in tools or external services, faster loading equals happier visitors. Explore the Wix App Market to add new functionalities. Want a live chat and Instagram feed? The App Market has a ton of integrations to enhance user engagement and add value to your website. Ensure your call to action buttons are prominent and effective. Use clear and concise language and place them strategically throughout your site to guide users toward desired actions. Make it easy for people to do what you want them to do. Test your website on different devices to ensure it's responsive. A mobile-friendly website is crucial for reaching a wider audience. Wix usually handles this well, but always double-check. And there you have it, a revitalized Wix website ready to impress. Remember to regularly update your content and design to stay current and engaging. Now go forth and revamp it.